This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. In this video, we're talking about maple syrup and what to look for when you're buying it. So what we have here is a grade A amber syrup, but you may see others in different listings. So the lightest would be the golden. It's the lightest in color and lighter than this, and it has a light, delicate taste. So it's great for things like drizzling on yogurt or ice cream. This is our amber syrup, and it has a darker, as it's aptly named, amber color. It's richer in taste. It has a nice, attractive color, and it's great for using in a variety of sauces, dishes, desserts, things like a great vinaigrette, right? And it's also our favorite choice for putting on things like pancakes, waffles, and French toast. It's got a great color and a great flavor. Beyond this, you have dark, which is a robust kind of caramel flavor, and it's something you want to use more in cooking, baking, and sauces rather than just topping your pancakes with. And then also the very dark, which would be more for like sauces and glazes and has a much more intense flavor than the other three. So those are just some things to look out for. And if you want a nice general kind of all-purpose maple syrup that you can use in a lot of things, the amber grade is a great one to start with. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.